We lay down the machine and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 screws. Screw them all. On the back also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 screws. Screw them all. Then we can lift up the shell. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 screws. Screw them all. Then we unplug this screen cable, press the clip, disconnect it. Then we can lift the shell up. The screen can be taken out. And then put the screen like this. This is the top. Put it back. This side is the top. And we connect the screen cable back. Also 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Screw it back. Don't be too tight, just fix it.
那个谁，邓克尔那个样板回来了，就是那个喷漆的样板。我给他寄快递，给他发回南去啊。没东西啊，我。
The cable back.
这一东西远。
Make sure it has good connection.